Peace be unto you. 11th Chemistry, Unit 1, Basic Concept of Chemistry and Chemical Calculation. In this unit, we are going to discuss one more questions from 11 to 15. Question number 11. Choose the disproportionation reaction among the following redox reaction. What is meant by disproportionation reaction? In a redox reaction, if one element undergo both oxidation and reduction, it is called a disproportionation reaction. In the first reaction, element in free state oxidation state 0, homogeneous diatomic molecule oxidation state 0. In magnesium nitride, magnesium is in +2 oxidation state, nitrogen is in -3 oxidation state. When you move from left to right, magnesium oxidation state increases, nitrogen oxidation state decreases. Magnesium undergo oxidation, nitrogen undergo reduction. This is not disproportionation reaction. One element undergo oxidation and reduction. In the second reaction, element in free state phosphorus oxidation state 0. In phosphine, phosphorus oxidation state is -3. In sodium hypophosphite, oxidation state of phosphorus is 1 sodium 1 plus, 1 hydrogen 1 plus, 2 hydrogen 2 plus, 1 oxygen -2, 2 oxygen -4. When you put here plus 1, the sum of the oxidation state equal to 0. In sodium hypophosphite, oxidation state of phosphorus is +1. When you move from left to right, phosphorus oxidation state increases from 0 to +1, decreases from 0 to -3. In this reaction, phosphorus undergo both oxidation and reduction. Therefore, it is an example of disproportionation reaction. Another two example. Chlorine Cl2 homogeneous diatomic molecule 0. In potassium chloride, it is -1. Iodine -1, I2 0. Chlorine oxidation number decreases, reduction. Iodine oxidation number increases, oxidation. In chromic oxide and aluminum mixture, chromium is in +3 oxidation state, metal in free state 0, aluminum 0, aluminum oxide, aluminum oxidation is equal to +3, chromium undergo reduction, aluminum undergo oxidation. So, in this reaction, one element undergo both oxidation and reduction. So, it is an example of disproportionation reaction. Come to question number 12. The equivalent mass of potassium permanganate in an alkaline medium. The equation is given here. 31.6, 52.7, 79, none of these. Now, equivalent mass of potassium permanganate equal to molar mass of potassium permanganate divided by number of electron involved in this reduction reaction. Potassium permanganate molar mass we have to find out first. K-4 potassium permanganate contain 1 potassium, 1 manganese, how many oxygen? 4 oxygen atom equal to 1 into potassium 39.1 plus 1 into manganese 55 plus 4 into oxygen 16. That is equal to 4 into 16 equal to 64. When you add, you will get 158.1 is the molar mass of K-4. Equivalent mass of K-4 equal to 158.1 divided by 3. When you cancel, 1 3 is 3. Now here in 15, 5 3s are 15, 8, 2 3s are 6, remaining 1 21, 7 3s are 21. So, equivalent mass of potassium permanganate, that is equal to 52.7. What is the answer? B is the answer. Equivalent mass of potassium permanganate in alkaline medium is 52.7. Come to question number 13. One word question number 13. Which one of the following represent 180 gram of water? 5 moles of water, 90 moles of water, 6.022 into 10 power 23 by 180 moles of water, 6.022 into 10 power 24 moles of water. Number of moles of water equal to mass by molar mass. Mass of water is given in our problem. We know water molecular formula H2O, it consists of 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom, 2 into hydrogen atomic weight 1 into oxygen 16, that is equal to 18 is the molar mass of water. Mass of water 180 divided by molar mass of water 18. When you cancel, 10 moles is the answer. Number of moles of water equal to 10 moles. We know 1 mole of water containing Avogadro number of water molecule 6.022 into 10 power 23 water molecule. 10 moles of water containing cross multiple divided by 1, that gives 6.022 into 10 power 23 divided by into 10 divided by 1. 10 means 10 power 1. So, 10 power 23, 10 power 1 will give the answer 6.022 into 10 power 24. Water molecules are present in 180 gram of water. So, what is the answer? D is the answer. 6.022 into 10 power 24 moles of water. 180 gram of water means 6.022 into 10 power 24 moles of water. Question number 14. 7.5 gram of gas occupies a volume of 5.6 liters at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. The gas is nitric oxide, nitrous oxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide. From the question, 5.6 liter volume is occupied by 7.5 gram of water. Now, molar volume 22.4 liter of volume is occupied by cross multiple divided by this answer. When you cross multiple, you will get 22.4 into 7.5 divided by 5.6. Multiply these two value by 10, you will get 22.4 into 75 divided by 56, that is equal to. Now, 8th table, 7, 8 are 56, here 2, 8 are 16, remaining 6, 64, 8, 6 are 64, 8 into 8 are 64. 1, 7 is 7, 4, 7s are 28.4. 4 into 75 equal to 300, that means 30.0 gram. Molecular formula for nitric oxide is NO. When we find out the molar mass, 1 into nitrogen atomic mass 14 plus 1 into oxygen atomic mass 16, that is equal to 30. These two are same. Therefore, 7.5 gram of gas occupy a volume of 5.6 liter at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atm pressure. The gas is nitric oxide NO. Nitric oxide molar mass and 22.4 liter of volume occupied gram is same. Come to question number 15. Total number of electron present in 1.7 gram of ammonia is, what are the options are given? 6.022 into 10 power 23, 10 power 23, 6.022 into 10 power 23 by 1.7, 6.022 into 10 power 24 by 1.7 and 6.022 into 10 power 23 by 1.7. How many number of electron present in one ammonia molecule? Nitrogen atomic number 7, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, 7 electron. Hydrogen 1, 1s1. So 7 plus how many hydrogen? 3 electron. Therefore, number of electron present in ammonia molecule, that is equal to 10 electrons are present in ammonia molecule. Number of moles of ammonia equal to mass by molar mass. Mass is given in our problem, that is 1.7. 1.7. We have to find out the molar mass of ammonia. Ammonia NH3, it consists of 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogen, that is equal to 1 into nitrogen atomic mass 14, hydrogen atomic mass 1, that is equal to 17, 1.7 by 17 equal to 0.1 mole. Now, number of molecule present in 1 mole of ammonia is Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23. Number of molecule present in 0.1 mole of ammonia is cross multiplication divided by this one, that gives 6.022 into 10 power 23 into 0.1 means nothing but 10 power minus 1 divided by 1, that is equal to, this is your 10 power minus 1, 0.1 means 10 power minus 1. Therefore, 6.022 into 10 power 22, 10 power 22. Number of electrons present in 1 mole of ammonia is equal to 10. Number of electrons present in 0.1 mole of ammonia, that is equal to, with this answer, 10 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. Number of electron, Avogadro number, 10 into Avogadro number. So, number of electron present in 1 mole of ammonia, 10 electron are present in 6.022 into 10 power 22. Number of electron present in 0.1 mole of ammonia equal to 10 is 10 power 1, here 10 power 22, 6.022 into 10 power 23 number of electron present in 0.1 mole of ammonia. So, what is the answer? Answer is 6.022 into 10 power 23, A is the answer. So, in this video we discussed about question number 11 to 15 from unit 1, exercise question, 1 mark question. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. And in the incoming video, we are going to discuss from 16 to 20 questions. Thank you.